Welcome back everyone. In this video I am going to discuss about how to make free planting material through the use of sucker of tomato plant. First of all, let's discuss about what is actually a sucker. A tomato sucker is the small shoot that grows in the axil between the main stem and leaf of tomato plant. Sucker removal is one of the most important intercultural operations that is carried out in tomato plant. This sucker should be removed because it helps in development of better fruit size and yield quality. It helps in improvement of air circulation and help in easier management. If we don't remove and let it be, then it leads to bushier plant canopy. The nutrients get divided and there is higher chance of disease and pest, as well as it affect the yield as the total number of fruit may increase but the fruit size and quality get decreased. It is better to keep one sucker at the top of the plant and we can remove all of the other suckers. And this sucker can be used as vegetatively propagated and used for the production of genetically identical fruit to that of mother plants. The method of propagation is quite simple and easy. Just take out the suckers of about 10 to 15 centimeter long and sow it directly into the soil, and the rooting will take place within 10 to 15 days from the ear-like structure present on the sucker. In this way we can get free planting materials with no cost and is exactly similar to that of mother plant. In this way we can simply propagate tomato plant from suckers. And thank you for watching this video.